Newark Tower, United 85 Heavy, ILS 22 left.
United 85 Heavy, Newark 11-1506, runway 22 left, clear to land.
So land 22 left, United 85 Heavy. Ground United 85 Heavy is on clearing 22 right at Echo for Delta Lima.
United 85 Heavy, Newark Ground, taxi B Alpha to the ramp.
For the ramp, United 85 Heavy.
And Jazz 881, we've got United in front of us. Looks like they've got a fire near their main right wheel.
United 85, you copy that?
Say again?
Right wheel appears to have a fire. It's the Dreamliner, Jazz 881, correct?
Affirmative, Jazz 881.
Roger, thank you.
We can see it too, United 1429, definite fire on the right wheel with smoke.
Alright, roll crash fire rescue for United 85 Heavy.
United 519, go around, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000.
Going around, United 519.
Tower Delta 2789, ILS 22 left.
Delta 2789, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Alright, go around, maintain 3000, runway heading, Delta 2789.
United 519, contact your departure on 119.2.
19-2, why are we going around?
Fire in the airport. Delta 2789, 119.2 for New York departure.
19-2, Delta 2789.
Paranyj 1173 Heavy is joining you, ILS 22 left.
United 1173 Heavy, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Going around, runway heading to 3000, United 1173 Heavy.
Newark Ground, Truck 1.
1 Newark Ground.
Truck 1 and company holding short 29 at Sierra for crossing.
1 cross runway 1, correction, cross runway 29 are at Sierra.
Truck 1 and company crossing 29 at Sierra. Do you have any further on that alert 2 at Alpha Romeo Lima?
Wing 715, hold your position right there. Fair wing 715, hold your position right there.
15, hold your position.
Did 85 Heavy, safe souls and fuel.
309 with 2 hours of fuel, 16,300 pounds.
Copy that, truck 1.
Newark Ground from Truck 1. All units off runway 29, crossing complete.
1 Roger, and the Dreamliner reported 309 souls on board, 2 hours of fuel, 15,300 pounds. Any copy?
Negative, Newark Ground, go with your message again.
Truck 1, 309 souls on board, 2+ hours of fuel, or 2 hours of fuel, sorry, 15,300 pounds of fuel.
Copy.
And ground, United 1429, they just blew a tire that appears to have blown the fire out. They blew a tire which appears to have blown the fire out.
To have the plane turn off both engines, there seems to be flame by the rear left tire.
At 85 Heavy, shut the engines down.
We're shutting them down now. We did feel the tire blow. United 85.
Tower 99. Call 99 Tower.
Don't have anybody. Everybody go around.
Affirmative, everyone's going around.
We got actual fire on the right main gear.
Roger, we got that.
2339, just stop your descent, maintain 4,000. We can't let you go in and land. Apparently there's a fire on the airport, so we're going to vector all of you guys back out.
Maintain 4,000, 2339.
PANYNJ 104, turn left, heading 040. We got to take you out.
Copy the left, 040,
American 1572, turn left, 040. United 519 is with you on a go around.
I'm sorry, who's that?
United 519.
United 519, nurse departure with a contact. Departure Delta 2789, 3000, heading 219. Delta 2789, nurse departure with a contact.
And just confirm United 519, runway heading 3000.
Yep, United 519, Eagle Flight 270 for now, climb maintain 5000.
270, then heading up to 5000, United 519. New York 1173 Heavy, we're runway heading at 3.
United 1173 Heavy, nurse departure with a contact. November 1 Mike Papa, turn right 280.
Jet 3608, turn left heading 090.
Okay, left turn 090. If you can let us know on that time, I got probably another 10 minutes when I got to bail.
Okay, is anyone else in trouble with fuel at all?
United 91.
Stepped on truck 1.
Be advised, product was put on the wheel. Flame has dissipated from the rear landing gear at this time. Could you advise pilot to go to Discrete?
At 85 Heavy, change to my frequency 134.05 for the truck.
Say again, 134.
05 for the truck.
13405.
We copy that that you're putting retardant on the right brake. Negative. The left landing gear temperatures appear normal.
Crash rescue, United 85.
And Tower 99.
Car 99 Tower.
Alright, we can go ahead and resume. Just show Taxiway Alpha closed between Romeo Echo and Echo.
Alright, so we'll resume operations, but taxiway Alpha is closed between Romeo Echo and Echo.
That's correct, sir. We got to determine whether we can move the aircraft, tow it, or we'll have to deplane on Alpha.
Okay, we'll start rolling again. Thank you.
United 519, Newark's now telling me I can bring you in. If we go in directly, we'll go. United 519, we're going to go right now. 2000, you turning? United 519, we're turning direct Sparty. If we can go right now. 519, turn right, headed 110. Right, turn 110, United 519.
Brickyard 3416, winds 140 at 5, runway 22 right at Whiskey, clear takeoff.
3416, clear takeoff, 2 Charlie Whiskey.
Spear ring 715 at tower, runway 22 right at Whiskey, line up weight.
Right, 2 right away, line up weight, spearing 715.
Brickyard 3416, cancel takeoff clearance.
Rejecting Brickyard 3416.
Brickyard 3416, make the left turn and taxi back on Papa to 22 right at Whiskey. And let me know if you need some time to reset.
Yeah, we're going to need some time to reset. Left turn here and back to 22 right at Whiskey, Brickyard 3416. Tower Brickyard 3416. Do you know what the recheck was for?
We got a stop on departures from the TRACON. They're spinning down to the south. Reference the stop on arrival.
Thank you.
United 519 with you. We're visual approach 122 left.
United 519, Newark Tower. Wind is 180 at 6, runway 22 left to land.
Clear to land 22 left, United 519.
And Tower, car 99 is off 22 left, and I did remove some debris from the runway.
Car 99, thank you.